Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kani and I am a baker. So what are we making today? Today we're going to be baking some jam tarts. Alright, so what we're going to need to make these jam tarts, we have a bowl, a whisk, some flour, baking powder, a grater. We've got eggs, sugar, strawberry jam, vanilla essence, a measuring cup, and you all know my favorite, the Sunshine D butter. So this is my favorite butter to use when I'm making scones or jam tarts or cookies. All right, so let's get started. All right, so let's get started. We're going to pour our flour into our mixing bowl. So just remember to level your flour, right? So I was just eyeballing it. I know a lot of people like to take a butter knife and just smooth out the flour, but I'm a professional now. All right, so after our flour, just grabbing a teaspoon there, and then now it's time for our baking powder. So just remember the baking powder has to be level, so don't put in a heaped teaspoon. Just make sure that you level out your baking powder every time you work with flour. Actually, just level out your baking powder unless instructed otherwise. Right, so there I am going to pour in my sugar. So I did use brown sugar for this video, but that's because I didn't have white sugar. So you don't have to use brown sugar, you can use white as well, or no sugar at all. Depends really if you love sugar. So I just mixed everything together there. So now we are going to crack 2 eggs into a smaller bowl, right? And we are going to mix that with vanilla essence. All right, so after you pour in your vanilla essence, you are just going to mix the two together. I threw in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence in there. So just give it a mix until it's well incorporated in there. Right, so there's my almost melted Sunshine D butter that I am going to pour into the flour mixture that we did earlier. So now I am going to go in with my clean hands. All right, so just similar to the scones, you're just going to mix it together. Just bring the flour and the butter together and just give it a bit of a mix. Just make sure that everything is incorporated in there. So there I am going in with the eggs and vanilla essence mixture, and when we're going to mix everything again, so do use your hands preferably, because we really do want this dough to be mixed in together properly. All right, so there is our mixture. See how it looks. Everything's well incorporated. You don't see any liquid coming out or anything like that, or any flour. So everything is perfectly incorporated like that. All right, and now we are going to take a bit of dough and we are going to put it in the freezer. Okay, so now there's my buttered pan that we're going to use, and I'm taking my dough and you're just going to level it onto your tray. So my tray was a bit big, leaving my jam tarts a bit thinner than expected. So if you are going to be using this exact measurement, just get a smaller pan, so that your jam tarts can be a bit thicker. All right, so I've got everything there. Now I'm going to go in with strawberry jam. You can use any kind of jam you want. You can use apricot jam or both apricot and strawberry. I just really love strawberry jam. It just tastes so nice and sweet. So I went in there with a very generous amount, right? So I just wanted to taste that strawberry jam in those jam tarts. So I was not shy. I really went in with the strawberry jam. You can put in a little less if you want, but I think the more the better. All right, so don't be shy with your strawberry jam. So there I am, just spreading it all over my dough on my tray, and then after that our jam tarts are almost ready. Just one more step. So remember the bit of dough we put aside, that we put in the freezer, You're going to take that out of the freezer now, and we are going to grate it onto our jam tarts. All right, so you're going to take your grater, and then we just grate, and it will form little nice bits of dough until it's filled your entire mixture. All right, so here are our jam tarts. So they are just fresh out of the oven. So I'm just going to slice them up, and then let's see how they look. All right, so our jam tarts are ready. I've sliced them up into squares. So now we're going to taste them. Oh my word. So crunchy. This strawberry flavored jam has this nice punch with the dough. Oh my word. This is really delicious. Almost took another bite, but I'm gonna have to stop myself. There you have it. These are our jam tarts. You can sell these. I know people sell them in 5 liters, 10 liters, 20 liters, and you can make a profit out of these. They are a bestseller, especially for events. Any type of event, you won't go wrong with these. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like the video, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.